Then, welcome to all the agents here to our weekly call. And my name is Jose Gaxirena. If it's your first time in this call, I have my agency in Orlando, Family First Life Momentum. We have been in the company for the past 3 years. 3 years ago, I was totally broke. However, I follow the system of Family First Life, something that is very simple: leads, dials, appointments. In my first year, $300,000. My second year, 420, and this year my goal is 800. Okay, and the goal of this call every week is to share with you some practices that we are doing in the business and share with you everything here. In this business, we don't have nothing to hide. We can share everything, and we are here to help you. Then Desmond and me, we're very happy with all the agents that have been in the call. We are growing very fast. I'm very happy, and we are here to help you. Okay, one of the things that we want to discuss today is the Family First Life, the FFL Agent Academy webpage that we have in our team. That is a webpage that you can use if you are a new agent, or if you are an agent that you are in the field. You can take advantage of that. Okay, because as I told you, in our business, you don't make any money if you don't get the approval of the applications. And it's important that you understand the process of underwriting, and the communication is very important. For example, JL, Cecilia, we're talking every day about different situations with Desmond, opportunities, and we are here to help you. But at the same time, you can go to the webpage, and the thing that we do today, I will share with you my webpage, okay? And we'll discuss some points, and after that, Desmond will discuss some important points in the business. Okay, let me go there. Okay, then let me go here. If your first time, okay, we have this webpage that is for everybody. It's FFL Agent Academy. If you have someone that is interested in be part of Family First Life, the only thing that you have to go is here, interested in joining our team. Here is the information of the company. If you have a person that wants to be an agent, go to this web page. The only thing that the person have to do is go to the fflstudent.com, complete the information, and in 2 minutes the person will receive an email with all the instructions. Okay, very easy. Then if you are new, my recommendation is follow all the steps that are here, 1 to 11. Okay, if you are in the field, first you can use these options to do the underwriting. Okay, here is all the health condition and the company that you can qualify. And let me share with you an example that I had today. I have this person of 60. It's for mortgage protection, and when I was asking all the health question, he told me that he has a pacemaker. The only thing I did is go to this web page. I find here pacemaker. Okay, and I see that will be declined with all the companies. Okay, for the term policy. Then I go to final expense, and I see here pacemaker. Pacemaker with 1 year warranty issue, with more than 2 years, more than 3 years, graded. Okay, then I explain the situation to the customer. I show him this table, say, hey, I would love to give you $285,000, but look this, you will be declined. You can sit with 20 agents like me and we'll be the same. Okay, however, you have a good equity in your home, and the best option that you could have is that you can have equity protection for your wife. You will give time to your wife to continue paying the mortgage and decide what to do with the property. She can refinance, or she can sell the property, or she can increase her income, but she needs time. Okay. At the same time, you have only 60. That means I will combine that policy with an accidental policy of $150,000, and you will be protected. That means if you have an accidental death, she receive another 150. Really? Okay, perfect. Then I submit the application. Boom, approved in the home. Okay, and that's the way that you can use this web page to take advantage of that. Okay, then, and the same process is about leads. Okay, in this business, if you don't have leads, you will not have appointments. Okay, then the only thing that you have to do is go to this web page. You can watch this video of Ready Posing that explain all the kinds of leads that we have. Here, you can have a video how you can purchase leads in the CRM. These leads are amazing. Desmond, you're here?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Okay. Yeah. Desmond,
okay,
can you
let me turn this around because I got you all over in another location.
Don't worry. Desmond, can you share with the team what leads you are investing now from the CRM?
Right now, okay. Yeah, right now I do mortgage protection, and I do 1 month, 3 month final expense leads. I'm just gonna be honest. Right now, I'm driving. I'm headed out of town. Made the last decision yesterday that I was gonna leave today. And if everyone knows that whoever's in Florida, that sometimes you have to make decisions that's best for your business. And in that situation, get the leads for me. My best decision was to go 6 hours away. So right now, I have a little road partner. My daughter is with me. So we're driving 6.5 hours away to Pensacola, Florida to run leads.
Yeah.
And I got about 300 leads from the CRM.
Okay. Yeah, that means that you can, if you are here in this call, go to the CRM, okay, and start investing in leads of the CRM. You can have leads of $1, $2, $3, $5, because the most important part is that you need volume to dial. That's it. Doesn't matter that when you call, people are rude, people don't answer the phone. Doesn't matter. If you have enough appointments and enough leads, you will have enough opportunities to book between 10 to 15 appointments. Okay, and this is a numbers game. Okay, when you are on the office on Monday or Thursday, in your mind, your number is 300 dials. 300 dials. Don't feel bad when you did 50 dials and no one answered. Doesn't matter. Our 300 dials, dial all day. Then I recommend for all the agents, the first order, you need volume. Okay, happy agent leads, 30 Facebook fresh leads. Okay, and step 2, combine that with 60 to 70 leads from the CRM. Need volume. If you invest only in the CRM, that means that you have to dial more times, but you need a combination. Okay, because the goal of Desmond and me is that you have in your first month at least $10,000 in your bank account. $10,000. But the only way that we can help you if you invest in leads. You need activity.
Jose, I have a question for you. I don't mean to interrupt you.
Yeah.
So as far as the happy agent leads, every time I go on there, it's like giving me a prompt that I can't proceed. It says error. Then I actually went to the happy agent site and it says that they're down until next week. Like, I don't know if it's just my server that's doing this, but I tried it on different laptops, different web browsers, and I just keep on getting a prompt.
Yeah.
Hey, James, James, in that particular case, when that happens, that's why we have multiple lead sources. If you ever depend on one lead source, then it's going to cripple you at some point in time. So just think about this. If you was a farmer and you went and bought some seeds to plant for corn, and some of your corn is not going to come out correct, but you're not going to go back to that farmer and say, hey, I had 10
something happens, but
it didn't come out good, so I want my money back. Well, it doesn't happen like that. Exactly. So you just need to go ahead and get about us, and it will support not having that particular.
yeah, let me help Desmond. Yeah, we have different vendors. You can find this in the web page. Okay, if you are not having results with happy agents, you can go to Lead Gurus, you can go to Lead Realize, you can go to Secure Agent Leads, but take action, because the most important part is that on Monday you need to have organized your leads to start to dial 8 a.m. early in the morning. Okay, my recommendation to you is that if you're going to dial tomorrow, you have to order your leads Saturday or Sunday.
Okay, and just diversify all the leads, right?
Yes, and maybe you can have a lot of success, for example, with Lead Gurus. I tried, for me it's not working, but it's working for you, or because I'm using Lead Relay. I don't know, okay? Yeah, but you have to try different options on that, okay? Then here you can have also it's important that if you are intentional in this business and you want to make money fast, the only thing that you have to do is first invest in leads, 2, study the script to book appointment, could take 30 minutes, okay? And in the step number 10, we have a training with Columbian Financial Group and Royal Neighbors. And the advantage with these companies is that you can submit the first application in paper, okay? Here is a training about the products, everything, the applications, everything is here, okay? In other words, the only thing that you have to do is have dials, have leads, dials, and go to the field, because you will have companies to submit. When you start in Family First Life, the process of contracting, you know that you have to wait about 10 days to wait for the agent number. But we designed a strategy where you can be in the field tomorrow. Doesn't matter if you're first day. And I'm telling you this because sometimes some agents, they can be in the process to overthink everything. Jose, I don't want to start until I learn all the products, I receive the brochures, and I'm being an expert. You don't need that. The only thing that you need is a name and a phone number, and start dialing, because every time that you are dialing, you're improving. That's the only way, okay? And understand that this is a numbers game. This is not for people that is so expert in insurance, that they have a lot of companies, that they have a lot of years of experience. You don't need that. The only thing that
Hey, Jose.
Yep, you're here.
Hey, got a question for you. I have a couple of people that's on here in one location. They want to know on the site, if you're not licensed, but you want to be licensed, show them where to go through that.
Okay, perfect. Then I go to here, get your insurance license. Okay, you go to the website fflstudent.com. Here, complete the information of the person. Okay, submit that information. In the next 2 minutes, the person will receive an email with instruction to activate the code to start. Okay, I recommend that follow the instruction here. Okay, because here you can review the requirements in the different states. Okay, everything is here. At the same time, the same day that you are receiving the email, schedule the exam fast, because you have to send that message to your brain that in the next 10 days, 15 days, I have to be ready. If you are working, this could take about 10 days, 15 days. If you are doing this 100% of your time, in 5 days, you will finish. But if you have someone that is 6 months to finish this, it's not a good message, because it's something that is very simple. Okay, then when you approve the exam, okay, then you have to do the fingerprints. Okay, here it is the instruction. When you receive the NPN number, the only thing that you have to do is send the NPN number and the license number to Ashley in my office, or the office of Desmond, whatever, and they will start to help you to start the process of contracting. It's very easy. Okay, any other question, Desmond? Okay,
no, I'm good.
Okay, perfect. Then what? Let me come back to this CFG and Royal Neighbors. Okay, when you have this application, the only thing you have to do is go to the field. Okay, when you submit the first application, there's the instruction there also. Let me first. .com. It's a Family First Life. We have a website that you connect with the office of Corinne, that's incorporated, and she will send you the link to start the process of a contract. In other words, if you go to if you have leads and you are tomorrow in the office dialing, and you have appointments for Tuesday and Wednesday, and you submit application Tuesday and Wednesday, and you submit your first application, you could have your agent number the next Monday. And if you submit application maybe on Wednesday, you have the sales commission in your bank account. It's very fast. Okay, but don't overthink the process, because it's very simple. Leads, dials, appointment. You don't have to be an expert. Call your upline. Okay, we are here to help you. If you have some question, you can call me, you can call Desmond, you can call Catherine, whatever you want to call. We're here to help you. But the most important part is that you need to have activity in the business, and understand that you need a good inventory of leads to dial on Monday and Thursday. That's the only way. Okay, because if you are trying to sell to your friends, well, maybe you can have your first week $10,000 because you sold to your brother, to your mother, to your father. But what's going to happen the next week? You have to learn how to manage that. And I don't know you, but I don't know any other legal business where you invest 500 and you can make 5,000 in only 1 week. It's very easy. Okay, then let me stop here. Okay, any question that you have about the FFL AN Academy? No. Okay, then today I wanted to share with you something that I use in my presentations. Okay, is that the power of the stories when you are in the home to show value to the person. Okay, one of the things that some agents do is that they go to the home and they focus only in price. Okay, and they ask me, hey Jose, who have better price, Forester or America for a term? I say, I don't know. I don't sell by price. I sell value all the time. Okay, and how you can show value to the families? Share stories. Okay, for example, I was let me explain you. In mortgage protection, you can have the life insurance, you can have the living benefit, and you can have the return of premium. And living benefits, that means disability. No, it's better. Let me show you this. 6 months ago, I was in this home with this young lady, healthy, only 34. With only 3 months in the mortgage, she received a diagnostic of breast cancer. With only 3 payments, she received $100,000 in living benefits. Okay, that's mortgage protection. Okay, because when you share stories, people connect. Because people don't buy numbers, they buy solutions, and you have to show them the solution. Okay, and story is the best way. If you don't have stories, the only thing that you have to do is go to the FFL YouTube channel, and you can learn other stories. But it's very important that you share this. And this afternoon, I was this family, and they were only seeing numbers until I start sharing stories. Oh yeah, wow, yeah. Okay, and that's the only way that you can connect and be more effective. Because remember, I have a mindset. Okay, when I'm outside in the home, in my head is already closed the sale. The only thing I'm going to the home is to submit the application, because that family sent me the lead. They're interested, but it's my job to show them value. If I don't show them value, they will tell me, well, let me do some shopping around because I don't see value. And the other way that you can show value is that you have to use the financial inventory. It's the best way. Why? Because you will see that most of the families, they're spending $300 in cable TV. They're spending $200 in entertainment. They're spending $200 in miscellaneous. But you say, hey, Tom, if we take $50 from the cable TV and we take $50 from the cell phone, and we can take $50 from entertainment, we have here $150, $200. With this, you can continue with the cable TV, but now you can protect your family. You can protect your wife. Now your wife will not lose a house, because as I'm reading here, you don't have savings, you don't have retirement, you don't have any kind of insurance, okay? And you have the opportunity to protect your family for only $150. Make sense to you? Okay, perfect then. And that's the best way to do this, okay? Then, any question about the stories? Jared. JL. Rooster.
Well, I could, for me, you got to change your mindset every time you go to their house, like go with the mindset that you're going to help them. You're going to find that unanswered question that they don't even know they have a question about that. And usually, when you set the table for them to help them, it's always a sell. The reasons, if you sit someone, and this happens to me, listen, I just had a bad Saturday, like 6-0. I told Jose, I can't wait salt today. I don't take it bad. It's just part of the business. I regroup, buy more leads, and I'm gonna go on Tuesday, Wednesday. But it always is in your mindset. You're here. Guys, everybody's winning here. There's no reason why anybody can't be making 5+ a week. So
yeah. The best of this business is that tomorrow is a new day. If you have appointments and you have leads, tomorrow is a new day. Because in this business, you can be broke on Monday and have $10,000 in your bank account on Friday.
Every Friday, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a numbers game. And I have to be honest with you. Yesterday was a very bad day for me.
Oh, yeah?
a lot of reschedules, no shows. I have a meeting with a millionaire. Well, happens every day. But tomorrow is a new day. I sold today. Tomorrow I will be in the office, but I have appointments in the afternoon, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, and tomorrow I will dial, and be in the field. That's the beauty of this business. That tomorrow is a new day. Everybody have bad days. It's normal, okay? But tomorrow is a new day. The first time that I had that experience, I called Ivan Bedro, and he told me, "Hey Jose, don't worry. Well, one bad day, 364 good days. Next, and that's it. Tomorrow is a new day, okay? And if you have appointments, you will have if you have leads, you will have appointments, and it's a numbers game. That's it. But imagine that you invested $600 and you have a very bad week, only 3 policies. of $100. We're talking about 3,600 less 600 and your advance, you're making 2,800 in 1 week. Okay, perfect. Next, it's almost $8,000 a month. It's a lot of money. I don't know for you, for me, $8,000 is a lot on that. Okay, Cecilia, you're here? Cecilia, maybe she's driving also.
Hola,
Okay.
hola, Jose. Sí, aquí. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm talking in Spanish. I'm sorry.
Okay, Cecilia, for me is an agent that she's very good doing door knocking. She's very intentional with the leads, and she's very have a lot of work ethic with activity, and I'm sure that she should have stories of days of no sales, and it's normal. Can you share with us some of these stories that you have?
Oh, yes, I have a bunch of no sales and rescheduled yesterday also. Oh, well, I sold one policy and then I have the same situation, reschedule and no show, and
Yep.
people, they have money and they don't need anything. So it happens, it's frustrated. Yes, in the beginning, I didn't know how to take it, but then I start listening podcasts and say everybody has those days, and put my mindset straight back. And I say, well, I need to call more people or go door knocking and resolve my leads.
Yep,
And that's what
yeah.
I do when that happens. Yeah.
Yeah, resolve all the leads. Then I see here Stephanie Clark, Wellington Ross, Sean. I see also in the call. I think that they're part of the team of Desmond. I want to be sure that to help you. Okay, I'm here to help you. How many of you have already leads for tomorrow? No one have leads?
Yes.
I got leads. I got appointments tomorrow too.
That's
Nice.
good. Intentional.
Yeah.
Okay, who else?
I
have
got
leads
leads
for
also.
tomorrow? Okay, Stephanie, LaChance, Wellington, Catherine, Sean.
Yes.
I'll be buying a lot more this week.
Perfect, perfect.
I'm
Then,
completely new to this. Hi everybody. Well, Wellington Ross. Nice to meet everybody.
awesome.
I'm a complete rookie at all of this, so I'm just here to kind of soak up a little information and learn what it is that everybody does. So
Okay, yeah.
Welcome.
You are in the team of Desmond?
yeah.
Okay, perfect. I'm sure that Desmond will help you to run the process in the FFLA.
And he helps me, and I live in a different state, and he helps me. So yeah, Desmond's
Yeah.
good. He's real good. He'll help you.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. It's a teamwork and here. But my goal is this, that all the agents that have leads, I'm here to help you. If you need some help, one of the things that you have to do, that you need to have in this business, is accountability. Okay, this is your business. Okay, and you have to be honest with you. If you are following the system, and if you are doing enough dials, if you are doing enough appointments, if you have taken enough training. We are here to help you, Desmond and me, to help you anything that you need. If you need some guidance in the script to book appointments, call me. If you want to discuss a game plan with you, I'm open to do it, because my goal is that all the agents in this call, minimum in your bank account, $10,000 in the next 30 days. That's my goal. And the only way that I can help you is that you share with us what area you need some support. Maybe it's phone script, maybe our leads, maybe the home presentation. But we are here to help you. Okay. Then 2 minutes more. Any question before finish the call of this Sunday? Yeah.
Yeah.
Rooster.
So I was used to doing IULs with companies like Anaco and Foresters. Well, I'm not used to using the term mortgage protection and final expense, but you touched on something a minute ago about living benefits.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
You said mortgage protection.
Okay.
So I know the terminology is a little bit different, but it should be about the same, right? So what is that mortgage protection?
Okay, mortgage protection is when somebody refinances the mortgage or buys a new property, and you will see that 81% of the people in the United States, they don't have more than $5,000 in the savings account. They're not prepared for a big health situation. That's the reason that when I go to the home and somebody tells me, hey, no, I have already a policy of $500,000. Okay, can you show me the policy? Okay, perfect. Okay, you have a policy of $500,000. You are paying $60. Okay, perfect. Then I have a question for you. You told me that you are a truck driver. Okay, perfect. If you suffer a stroke and you can't work for 2 years in your job, they will continue paying you every month? No. Okay, perfect. Of this policy of $500,000, how much money they will give you if you suffer a stroke that is not a terminal illness?
Right. So like I'm used to IULs had living benefits, right?
Yeah.
So only the mortgage protection with America carries that?
No. You can do it with America. You can do it with
Mutual.
Omaha. You can do
Can you
it
do with can you do with term mortgage protection?
Yeah,
Like
because
All right.
because
Let me.
remember, mortgage protection is not a product. Mortgage protection is a concept.
That's what I'm trying to get at. Okay. Yeah, because I'm used to IULs, I'm used to having the living benefits, right? So I knew it came with it. Like Anico's terms, they came with living benefits. Their GULs had living benefits over $50,000. So I was just trying to get used to the products and stuff.
Yeah,
because you're talking about telling stories earlier, and that makes sense.
Yeah, that's a reason that it's important that the communication with Desmond to help you in that part, because mortgage protection is a concept. For example, maybe you have the idea that, wow, I have with this this young man, only 50. He's a president of this company. He has the money. He's healthy. Perfect. I'm gonna offer an IUL. Perfect. Then you start doing this, and this is an example that I had. Okay, I was with this regional vice president of a big company, okay, insurance company, and she's making $1.2 million a year, and she told me I was to be protected, okay, and in my head, yes. $10,000 in one house. Yeah. Wow. Perfect. Then a young woman. Perfect. When I start asking the health question, she told me, I have a pacemaker. But she told me that pacemaker the surgery wasn't when she had 13 years, and she had 50 now. Then I called Forrester, and Forrester told me that she could be approved with a medical test. What that means, Rooster, that we can't be offering IUL to everybody,
right?
Because in this business, it's not what people want, it's what people qualify, and it's important. I explained to her, hey, I will try to find some protection for you, but in this moment, this is real. Her husband is not working. Her husband is taking care of the kids. She's the only person working at home. Okay, she's making $1.2 million with no life insurance.
Dude's got it made.
Wow.
Yeah. And but it's important that you explain how it works, because people will think, oh, okay, no, Steve is new. He can help me. Let me continue shopping around. But it's not you. It's that the person is a health condition. Okay, and that's the reason that you have to understand the concept of mortgage protection. In mortgage protection, you have two options. One that covers 100% of the mortgage. Okay, you pass away, your family receives $200,000. or equity protection. Equity protection means that if something happens to you, you will leave money to your wife to continue paying the mortgage and decide what to do with the property. Okay, and you will see that if you invest in leads, we are helping working families. They're not millionaires. You will see. Okay, and you will see that most of the family, dad is making 30,000, mom is doing 25. Okay, they want the protection of $275,000 with living benefit and everything, and you can offer that. The problem is, the situation is, they can afford that? No. That's the reason that 95% of my clients of mortgage protection is with equity protection. And the reason is that when I ask them, hey, you are doing 25, you are doing 30, you don't have savings, you don't have life insurance, you have a mortgage. If something happens to you, how your wife will continue paying the mortgage? No, that means that you need living benefits. Okay, and that's a reason that in most of the situation, they replace a policy of $1 million term policy of $60 for a policy of $80,000 paying $146, because I showed them the value of the living benefits. It's your emergency fund. I don't know you, right. Tom. I don't have $300,000 in my bank account, but I have a protection that if something happens to me, I can receive money in life. It's like my emergency fund. Really? Yeah. And look this. In 30 years, if you're still alive, never use the benefits, they return all the money to you. It's a win-win. Imagine this, Tom. If you put $200 a month in Wells Fargo savings account, something basic, and you suffer a stroke in 2 months, how much money Wells Fargo will give you? Well, $400. But here, with 2 payments, you can receive $100,000. And the better is that in 30 years, if you're still alive, never use the benefit, they return all the money. And you can put that money in annuity, and that annuity can give you a fixed income per life. Really? Yeah. Perfect. Boom.
Good pivot.
And that's a way that my recommendation to you is start listening podcast every day and watching videos of Matt Smith. Matt Smith, they have a video of equity protection that is very good. I use the same concept and will help you, because you will see that most of the families, they don't have the money to pay $600 a month for America. They don't have that money. Okay, but they see the value of the living benefits. They see the value of the IUL. Okay, to be honest with you, this is a cash flow management business. Okay, and you need to have products that be approved fast, and you get the commission fast. The situation, I don't know, you should have that, is that with Mutual of Omaha in this moment, it's taking about 2 months to get approval and 2 months to receive your sales commission. If you submit all your applications with the Mutual of Omaha, you will have problems with your cash flow. Okay.
I'm only with Americo and AIG right now, so they're taking forever to get me reapproved.
Yeah. AIG is something that you are learning, but if you want to have cash flow, I recommend American Amicable is fast. Forester is fast for me. Okay. John Hancock is fast. But Transamerica, Mutual of Omaha, I don't know what happened in November, but in this moment, you have to wait a lot of time. And I
think what they're doing is they're transferring over, they're updating their technology. I really think that, because I've heard something about that, and they're not up there. Some of these insurance companies are dinosaurs with the technology.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know?
but in this moment they send an email. But if you want to have cash flow every week, it's important that you have a strategy to be approved as soon as possible. Okay. Well, any question before finish? I have 1 minute more.
Jose,
you.
I actually have a quick question if
Yeah.
I may. So when you go and you take the testing for the licensing to be able to sell these policies, like
Mhm.
I'm in Illinois.
Yeah.
Say I end up moving to another state, would I have to go through and take these courses again to be licensed in that new state, or would my Illinois license carry over? Like, is it like a national license, or would I
No,
have to?
you need a license of each state, but you can have your license in Illinois, and you can have the non-resident license in other states. That is very easy. The only thing that you have to do is let me go there. Okay, let me show you.
Hey, Jose, I think he was really asking would he have to take the test again? No, you would not have to take the
No,
test. You
only
just
pay.
register through the NIPR.
Okay.
And then you can get, once you pass your test, you can get your license for all 50 states within the
Yep.
US, and you don't have to take the test again.
Yeah, all you got to do. I've done it myself, just like he's doing. Go to the non-residents. You're going to pay a fee. It might be $50. It might be 200. They'll honor your state test, and that's it. You'll have it within 2 to 3 days.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's very easy. It's very easy.
He just told me too. So
Yeah.
yeah, I appreciate all the info, buddy. Thank you.
Yeah, and one of the things that you have to do is that we use the license in other states to team building. We're not using the other license the license in other states to try to sell by Zoom. We're not in that business. Some people think that I have 38 licenses to sell to California. No, the way that we work is that I use the license is that, for example, I want to build a team in Dallas. Then I invest leads in Dallas, like Desmond. I go to the Dallas, go to the field, I go to sell, but at the same time, I invest in leads to recruit. That means I receive that leads, I call the agent and say, okay, perfect, we'll be on Dallas the next week. See you on Monday in the night. And you can have interviews to build your team, and you can take advantage. But at the same time, you are selling in Dallas. Okay, Desmond, anything that you want to add before finish? Desmond is driving. Well, guys, thank you for your time and
No, I'm good. I appreciate it.
Thank you. My recommendation to you: go to the CRM if you in this moment you don't have any leads. Invest in leads. Start dialing. We have a group in Zoom that is dialing all day. You can go to ffldialnow.com and the password is FFLLU. And you can connect tomorrow at 8 a.m. all day. You can see top producers dialing live, and you can learn a lot from them. Okay. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful week. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.